Alright guys, day 2 in Moab, and we are going to be doing the Fins and Things trail. Just got here, airing down, getting ready. I'm doing Fins and Things. This is probably the most recommended trail that everyone on Instagram and the Facebook group I'm in was telling me to do, obviously besides Hell's Revenge. But so I'm excited. It's really rocky, which I like. I'm not a fan of the mud and the sand, so should be fun. I can see.
You're good. Take your time, you're fine. You're good. Just showed up the JL. I mean, we are also on 40s, but keep it straight. Like I said, go slow, so line up here. You just scraped it.
Oh, he got his first poop. We're about a mile into Fins and Things. Just did some steep obstacles, scratched my hitch a little bit. That's a little dramatic, but yeah, so mile in. Super fun so far. I like it, on the rock crawling.
You're gonna need some momentum.
We're about 2 miles into Fins and Things. Where's my videographer?
Right here.
Oh, James is gonna film some.
Alright, you're good.
We are about 8 miles into Fins and Things. This is what the terrain is looking like so far. There was a little Y in the trail back there. It said left easier and then right it was more difficult, so obviously we decided to do the more difficult route because why not? I have the Jeep for it. So I'm gonna get going down this trail. James is flying the drone to get some cool drone footage, but just to give you guys another idea of what the trail looks like. So you have all the arrows going down. James running. All the arrows going down, and then that's where you come from, and then we're going to go back down there. So we just got done Fins and Things. That was a really fun trail. I enjoyed it. I wouldn't really say it's a difficult trail. I'd say it's kind of moderate. I have a Jeep 140s, 4.5-inch lift with no lockers, and my Jeep did great. So I mean, even if you have a stock Jeep, I feel like you'd be fine. There's definitely going to be some tricky spots, like with the Gladiator. If you have a stock Gladiator, you might bottom out your hitch. I did that about 2 times, and mine's lifted, so I can't imagine how it would be in a stock Gladiator. And then there was a Wrangler that kept bottoming out. It was a stock Rubicon, so it wasn't very high. So I got my first Jeep badge from Jeep, so that's pretty cool. But we're just airing up now. We were gonna try to do another trail, but we're beat from this one.